Gledate emisiju Radim Gradim.
Our project concerns the Mediterranean eco-industrial development, and what we are trying to do is to build a management model for sustainable industrial areas, and in order to suit it to the whole Mediterranean area. One of the activities we have inside our project is the building of a trademark for sustainable industrial buildings. So we have tried to set up a list of requirements that an industrial building should have in order to be a sustainable one, and we have done it through a life cycle assessment process. So we have tried to assess all the life cycle of the building in order to have final environmental impact of these buildings. So through this analysis we have set up some guidelines on how to build a real sustainable industrial building. This is one of the activities. Another activity is the building of this model, so how we can approach the whole area in order that this industrial area to be sustainable. The first element in order to have a sustainable industrial area is the unitary management of the whole area. So a way to manage not only the single companies but the whole area, taking in consideration not only the business enterprises but also the local territory and other stakeholders, taking in consideration not only the economic and environmental aspects but also the social aspects of the industrial area. Another very important element in order to have a sustainable industrial area is the shared industrial policy of the whole area in order to involve all the territory. And very important thing is the shared and centralized infrastructure and services. I think that since Belgrade is the center of all the Western Balkan countries, it is very important. This conference, it is also the very first conference, I understand, about these green buildings, and it can be a good occasion for the whole area to comply with green building aspects and rules. Sustainability is a cultural way of thinking, so it is a cultural path. It is obvious that the inclusion of to understand the importance of the inclusion of environmental, social and economic aspects in the management of everything.